What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. The vlog continues. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. Today we are in the G80 M3. Ladies and gentlemen, this is insane. I cannot believe that I'm saying this. We are back on the channel. The videos are going to begin flowing once more, and we are absolutely in the correct machine for the task at hand. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get so many bits of good content for you. We're going to be posting hopefully for the next few months on this car. We're going to do a bunch of videos. If you guys have any requests of specific things you would like to see with the car, let me know, and then hopefully we can make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, it is going to be insane. It is going to be absolutely insane. We are in the G80 M3 and we are about to go for a young little spin, and then we are also going to film our review video or first look over video, whatever you want to call it, of the car. Guys, damn, it's so good. It is completely different to the F80 M4 that we have dealt with previously on the channel. It is just honestly next level. The X-Drive is insane. The amount of grip, it's sheer instant power. There is nothing that goes to waste. And I mean, I don't know. It's insane. There's no other way to put it. The thing is about this car is it's so usable as a daily driver at the same time. You know, you can absolutely hammer this thing when you need to. You know, if there's that real gap that you need to close between someone, it is just going to be instant. But at the same time, you can just absolutely cruise down to Durban. You can cruise down to Cape Town. Easy.
Half the time.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, but it's just absolutely insane. Just the way it absolutely mental, the way it just bullies you into your seat. It absolutely just freaking sends it. So, let's not get into any kind of accident over here. The problem, ladies and gentlemen, with a car like this and the price tag that it comes with is you deal with the robots. The robot's not working, and it's just a bit scary. Oh, we even lost the camera. No, tighten the little knob on the side there, please.
This one?
No, the one on the back. Yeah. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, technical difficulties.
Should be fun.
The power is honestly just ridiculous. Honestly. Oh my word. And like I say, the best part is that it's so usable. It's ridiculous. Honestly, it's ridiculous. So yeah, that's pretty much as I want to say. I need one. I want one. I have to have one. Yeah, it's just bonkers, honestly. What do you think?
Dude, it's just instant power though. Like I haven't been in another car like that personally, but the way it just puts down the power with the four-wheel drive, like you said, it's just crazy. Just crazy.
Just the X-Drive, the way it just grabs no matter where you are, and instantly.
And it's hard to put into words. You have to actually feel it.
Yeah, so it gets into boost at around 3.5, and at that point it's gone. Left the chat. Yeah, and I must be honest. The only problem is that it is quieter than the than the F80. But you know what? The trade-off that you get for having the usable power is crazy. You would take that trade-off any day. You just chuck an exhaust on it. You make a plan. But yeah. And then, as we all know, that these cars absolutely sound mental with an exhaust. It's just it's so fun because it's so usable. So I know that a lot of people will come and they'll say, yeah, but the rear wheel drive is also fun, and it takes a certain way of driving to handle it and to use it. But man, yeah, this is fun. Especially with the fact that you can actually use it. You know, if you do take this out and you do have a little race day or whatever, you can absolutely use the power. You know, you don't have to spend all this money in sort of sorting out tune-ups or different types of tires. You can put your foot down and you can just go.
Yeah.
I'm running up my butt, yeah. He's a clock.
Hey, and there's a little Suzuki Swift, eh?
Yeah, what's wrong with Suzuki drivers?
And you wonder why I didn't want to get one, eh?
I wanted to get you a nice Suzuki that can represent. Yeah. It's just, oh man. You guys are going to have a look at this car on the outside. This color is also just insane, honestly. Sometimes the odd colors like a green or a blue or red or yellow, sometimes they look like quite strange and not really fitting with the car. But this color, this green, I still actually just need to check what the name is.
Makes it stand out in a good way.
Man. Exactly, in the best way. So, yeah, it is absolutely insane. And what a unique color as well. That's also the next thing, the color being so unique. You don't see any of them. So apparently this is one of one in this color in South Africa. So yeah,
I didn't even know that.
Exactly.
That's
so
quite cool.
That's also quite cool. You know, just the uniqueness of it is insane. So yes. Cool. Let's get to our spot. Right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get some things going. Oh, it's incredible, eh? Oh, actually.
Fun of things in life, dude.
Oh man, I need to save my rands and cents. Crazy.
Dude, this thing is
Fucking insane, eh?